Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Office table design or office desk, you may call it, director's desk or chairman's desk or official desk, anyways you want to call it, but it's an office table we have. I'm showing you two units, similar design, and in fact same design but different sizes. This one is 6 feet left to right. This one is also 6 feet left to right. Height is same. The only difference is the width. This is 2.5 feet. This is 3 feet. This one is going to New Delhi for an embassy. This one is going to USA. So Delhi and US. And the inspiration, the design inspiration has come directly from the Oval Office of USA. If you search Google, you go on net and you type Oval Office table, you will find same design there, just a little difference of the insignia in the middle, the eagle design that they have. So we have changed it to some other design, and the overall design is similar to the Oval Office table. The design is nice and the work is quite good. When you have something like this, it will definitely redecorate your place and give a different look to your table in itself. I've been to bigger offices for some school principals, for some commissioner's office, and where you have big cabin and you generally get a lot of people coming in. Something like this can be considered. So two drawers, two storage areas, and the chair area in the middle. So you put the chair and you can easily sit here. This is a 6 feet unit, so the design is like this. If you want smaller table, then we have to get this part removed or extend that one a little bit, and then you get more space to sit. Modifications can be done. If you have bigger size or a smaller size, you can let us know. We'll make that for you. This one is 3 feet top. This one is 2.5 feet top. So if you want bigger table like this, that can be done. Regular sizes can be done. It's a nice size also. 2.5 feet is also good, but 3 feet, if you want, we can make that for you. New Delhi or US, India or US, Australia, Germany, UK, any part of Europe, Oman, Qatar, wherever you want, we can deliver that to you. We have already delivered to most of the places outside India and almost everywhere in India. Not just office desk, we make furniture like sofas, dinings, and wardrobes and temples, partition screens, a lot of furniture we are making. And you can visit our website arsonwoods.com and you can have a look on the designs. If you are looking for something like Victorian or carved or Turkish or Egyptian or Ethiopian kind of furniture, you can get it. You can get design from anywhere, send it to us, we'll make that for you. We are carving people. We make stuff by hand. We are hand carving people, in fact. These are not machine made. All work is done by hand. The sketching and the carving, everything. And a lot of time is invested and a lot of time is required to make such units. Colors, sizes can be modified as per your requirement, and we can deliver it to the place you want. The work is here in teak wood, light walnut finish, natural finish, as per your decor, as per your requirement, how you want it. Let us know. For more designs, you can visit our website or you can check YouTube. There are hundreds and hundreds of videos, around close to 600 now, for actual designs. Hope you like it. If you have some questions, suggestions, or feedbacks, or pricing queries, please contact us. Our number is right here. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.